What if your next road trip didn't just take you somewhere new, but completely changed the way you travel? A motorhome so refined, it feels less like camping and more like moving luxury. Welcome back to the channel Nitro Wings. Today we're stepping into a world where freedom meets sophistication on wheels. Parked under the wide, open sky, the 2026 GMC Savana GTX 380 Grand Cruiser stands like a statement of modern exploration. At first glance, it doesn't look like a typical motorhome at all. Its long, sculpted silhouette reflects sunlight across a glossy black exterior, while the polished chrome grille of the GMC Savana front end gives it a bold and confident face. In my opinion, the exterior design strikes a perfect balance between rugged capability and premium elegance. Traditional RVs often look bulky and purely functional, but this machine carries a more refined presence. The aerodynamic roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, giving the motorhome a sleek touring character rather than the boxy appearance many campers have. Imagine approaching this motorhome in the early morning before a long road trip. The desert sun is rising in the distance, casting golden reflections across the smooth body panels. The large side awning extends effortlessly, creating a shaded outdoor lounge area where two chairs and a small table invite you to pause for a quiet coffee before the journey begins. Step closer and you notice the subtle design details that elevate the experience. The side graphics are clean and modern, the alloy wheels shine with a polished finish, and the tall windows hint at a spacious interior waiting inside. I believe details like these are what transform a simple travel vehicle into something that truly feels like a luxury explorer. Now, picture the moment when the engine starts. The powerful platform of the GMC Savana hums to life with quiet confidence. As the motorhome begins rolling down a smooth highway, the sense of independence becomes instantly real. Unlike conventional motorhomes that can feel heavy and slow, the 2026 GMC Savana GTX 380 Grand Cruiser moves with surprising stability and comfort. Imagine driving this along an endless desert highway. Warm sunlight pours across the windshield while distant mountains rise along the horizon. The road stretches forward, open and inviting. In moments like this, you realize that the journey itself becomes the destination. Driving through a busy city tells a different story. The commanding view from the elevated driver's seat makes navigation feel effortless. Traffic flows around you while the motorhome glides through urban streets with calm precision. Compared with older RV designs that feel cumbersome in city environments, this vehicle feels more refined and manageable. But the real magic reveals itself once you step inside. Opening the door feels like entering a modern mobile apartment. Soft ambient lighting reflects off elegant wood finishes and contemporary textures. The living area welcomes you with comfortable seating arranged in a social layout, designed to create a warm atmosphere whether you're traveling alone or with friends. In my opinion, the interior is where this concept truly separates itself from traditional RV designs. Many motorhomes prioritize function over atmosphere, but here the space feels intentionally designed for relaxation and lifestyle. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to fill the cabin, creating an open and airy feeling that makes the interior appear even larger. Imagine sitting on a lounge sofa as the scenery slowly changes outside. Forests, mountains, and lakes drift past the windows like moving paintings. The lounge area easily becomes the heart of the motorhome. A wide sofa faces a modern entertainment wall where a large smart television quietly blends into the interior design. The system connects seamlessly to streaming services and wireless audio, transforming quiet evenings into a cozy movie night wherever the road takes you. Just a few steps away, the kitchen reveals itself as another highlight of the 2026 GMC Savana GTX 380 Grand Cruiser. Compact yet surprisingly capable, the space includes a sleek countertop, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and a modern refrigerator built seamlessly into the cabinetry. Imagine preparing a warm meal here after a long day of driving through the mountains. Outside, the air is cool and fresh. Inside, soft lighting and the gentle sound of cooking create a sense of comfort that feels almost like home. Traditional RV kitchens often feel cramped or purely functional, but this design introduces a sense of refinement. Storage compartments are carefully integrated into the walls, making every inch of space useful without making the cabin feel cluttered. Moving toward the rear of the motorhome reveals the private sleeping area. The bedroom space feels calm and inviting, anchored by a large queen-size bed surrounded by subtle lighting and soft materials. Overhead cabinets provide generous storage, while the windows bring in morning light that gently wakes you with the sunrise. Imagine waking up here beside a quiet lake somewhere deep in the mountains. The early morning air is cool, birds echo through the forest, and sunlight slowly illuminates the landscape outside your window. Experiences like this are what make road travel unforgettable. Another impressive feature is the integrated bathroom area. Though compact, the space offers everything needed for comfortable long-distance travel. A modern shower system, sink, and toilet are neatly arranged to maximize functionality while maintaining a clean, contemporary design. I believe thoughtful design like this is essential for long journeys. When you spend days or weeks on the road, comfort and efficiency become just as important as performance. Technology also plays a major role inside the 2026 GMC Savana GTX 380 Grand Cruiser. A central digital control system allows travelers to manage lighting, climate, water levels, and power usage with a single touchscreen interface. Imagine adjusting the interior temperature, dimming the lights, and activating entertainment features without even leaving the sofa. These smart systems transform the motorhome into a modern connected living space. Solar panels on the roof help provide sustainable power during remote adventures. Advanced battery systems allow the motorhome to operate independently for extended periods, making off-grid exploration far more practical. Compared with traditional RVs that rely heavily on campground hookups, this modern setup encourages true freedom. You're not limited to crowded RV parks or busy campsites. Instead, you can venture deeper into nature while still enjoying the comforts of a luxury home. Another feature that stands out is the outdoor lifestyle integration. The large side awning instantly expands the living space beyond the walls of the motorhome. Beneath it, the outdoor seating area becomes a perfect gathering place during sunset evenings. Imagine sitting outside as the sky turns orange and purple over a quiet desert valley. The motorhome stands behind you, lights glowing softly inside, while the cool evening air carries the peaceful silence of open land. Moments like these remind us why vehicles like this exist in the first place. They're not just transportation machines. They are gateways to experiences. In my opinion, the greatest strength of the 2026 GMC Savana GTX 380 Grand Cruiser is the way it blends adventure with comfort. It proves that exploration doesn't have to mean sacrificing luxury. Traditional motorhomes can certainly provide shelter during travel, but designs like this elevate the entire lifestyle. They create an environment where the road feels exciting, relaxing, and inspiring all at once. Imagine finishing a long day of driving across dramatic landscapes. The motorhome stops beside a peaceful overlook high in the mountains. You step outside, breathe in the crisp air, and realize that your home has traveled with you the entire way. This is the spirit of modern road exploration. Vehicles like this encourage us to slow down, explore further, and rediscover the joy of movement. Instead of rushing to a destination, the journey becomes the most memorable part. And as the sun finally sets beyond the horizon, the lights inside the motorhome glow warmly against the darkening sky. The road behind you holds the memories of the day, while tomorrow promises an entirely new adventure waiting somewhere beyond the next bend. For travelers who crave freedom, comfort, and the thrill of discovering new places, this extraordinary machine represents a fascinating glimpse into the future of luxury motorhome design.